Good morning, everyone. How are you? How was the night? Welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of seeing this face, you're welcome. Ensure to subscribe if you have not. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much. So today's video, I want to show you nature. We are going to the farm to harvest some cassava. So let's go together. You might be wondering, I'm in Lagos. Where do I see farm? Say hi.
Hi.
So, we are in Air Force Base, mommy.
Thank you.
Sorry, we are in Air Force Base
Farm.
in Lagos.
Yes. In Shasha.
Shasha, yes. So this is their
Our
mommy
family.
market. So
Family.
they have a leftover, as in some farm, some portion of land which they have not built on it. So some people are using it to plant. So my mom has a little farm. So we are going there to harvest the cassava. Then from harvesting, we then use it to do fufu. So stay tuned. This is my big sister. Say hi.
Hi.
So let's go to the farm together. So we are about entering the farm. This is Air Force Base. So don't worry, one of these days I'm going to show you guys the Air Force Base proper. So we are going to the farm now. So let's go. These are some cassava. Already planted corn. Can see that nature is beautiful. It's enough. Oh yeah, show it to us.
Let me carry this.
Shoot, carry two.
No, let me
Show us the cassava. Viewers, can you see
I'll say big one, mommy.
my nephew and my niece holding the cassava? And here is the mommy.
No, this one is bigger.
Oh yeah, harvest it now so that they will see you. Look at that. Can you see? Male, say hi now. Male is shy.
My leg.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
I'll fold the camera.
Mommy, help me on this rope. Mommy, help me on this rope.
I want to show you guys how to harvest cassava, so let's do it together. Ooh, no power.
I'm good. But she's everything.
I don't know how to harvest. Oh.
But you want this? Yeah. No, that is the papa go there.
Mbo fia na ben na ba.
Cutlass. I'm a very hardworking girl.
No be so. No be so.
Small.
To mu duwa ku da ka ku ko no da. Am pon no le se ni na wana ha. Ku ni wa ben bibo mi ara command.
Jesus. No power.
No power, but I'm just
No way.
This is moving. Baba, carry that one and just plug up that first one.
Nam.
Yeah.
I don't have strength.
Why would you have strength?
You still have some.
You can now use.
Press that red, please. Can I see?
Yep. Woo. Man, this one is big. I'm turning my phone.
Come here, go.
That's the one that.
So guys, these are the cassava that we have harvested, and it's already at home. In short, in Mami open market. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, thumbs up, and also comment. So see you in my next video. Thank you. God bless you for always tuning in.